The grand finale of Britain's Trooping the Colour celebrations unfolded in spectacular fashion as King Charles III and members of the royal family appeared on the balcony of Buckingham Palace to watch a breathtaking military flypast over London. After a day filled with pageantry, precision, and centuries-old tradition, thousands of people gathered outside the palace for the moment many had been waiting for: the appearance of the royal family on the iconic balcony overlooking the Mall. Leading the royal party was King Charles III, joined by Queen Camilla, as the nation celebrated the sovereign's official birthday. Alongside them stood the Prince and Princess of Wales, Prince William and Catherine, accompanied by their three children, Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis. The balcony appearance remains one of the most cherished traditions of Trooping the Colour, offering the public a rare opportunity to see multiple generations of the royal family together on one of the monarchy's most important ceremonial occasions. As cheers echoed across central London, crowds waved Union flags and looked skyward as the military flypast began. The impressive aerial display featured aircraft from across the Royal Air Force, showcasing the skill, professionalism, and heritage of Britain's armed forces. The flypast serves as a fitting conclusion to Trooping the Colour, linking the monarchy with the military and celebrating the servicemen and women who protect the nation. Among the royals on the balcony, Prince George and Princess Charlotte once again displayed the composure and confidence that have become hallmarks of their public appearances. But as often happens at royal events, it was Prince Louis who captured much of the public's attention. The youngest Wales child delighted royal watchers with his animated reactions and enthusiasm as the aircraft roared overhead. Many royal fans, Prince Louis has become one of the most entertaining members of the younger generation of the royal family, bringing spontaneity and joy to formal occasions steeped in tradition. The appearance also highlighted the growing role of Prince William and Catherine as they continue to represent the future of the monarchy. Standing alongside King Charles and Queen Camilla, the Prince and Princess of Wales presented a picture of continuity and stability, reinforcing the monarchy's focus on service, duty, and family. Trooping the Colour remains one of the most significant events in the royal calendar, bringing together military excellence, national pride, and royal tradition in a celebration watched by millions across the United Kingdom and around the world. As the final aircraft disappeared into the distance and the cheers from the crowd gradually faded, another memorable chapter in Britain's royal history came to a close. From the spectacular parade through London's streets to the famous Buckingham Palace balcony appearance and the stunning flypast overhead, Trooping the Colour 2026 once again delivered a celebration of tradition, unity, and national pride. And with three generations of the royal family standing together before the nation, the event offered a powerful symbol of continuity as the monarchy looks toward the future.